In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube account suspended issue. So if you have a YouTube channel or YouTube account suspended, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now the first and the obvious method is you need to submit an appeal using the form that is available inside of the YouTube platform. If you're using the desktop version of YouTube, you'll be able to find it inside of YouTube Studios. If not, if you're currently on a mobile, what you can do is open up a web browser and search for suspend YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see the first link which says channel or account termination. Inside of this page, you can scroll down until you reach the section of appeal or community guideline termination. So these are the steps if you are using a computer currently, but if you are not, you can just scroll down a bit and then tap on the this form option, which will then open up a form. So this is the form that you need to fill in. Make sure you read this information and then add in your full name. You'll also need to add in your email address where YouTube will be able to contact you, and the URL of the YouTube account that is currently being suspended. So once you add in this information, you can also add in additional information that will help YouTube to verify if your account is really suspended or not. So make sure that you are polite and add in everything that you think will help you out in this process. So once you've done that, you can just tap on the submit button. So once you do that, within 24 hours, you will be able to get a response from YouTube and you will be able to fix this issue if you have not violated any community guidelines. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.